Hello, my name is John Knockan, and today I'm going to talk about the Ecomatic salt chlorinator. Basically, salt chlorinators sanitize pool water by taking dissolved salt in the water and transforming it to hypochlorous acid, which prohibits the growth of algae and makes it safe to swim in. When the water flows through the cell housing and through the cell, the power box generates an electric current which transforms the chlorine in the water to hypochlorous acid through the process of electrolysis. Now, there are many benefits about the Ecomatic salt chlorinator that help it perform efficiently. Number one, the power box, in the back of the power box, the entire back panel is a heat sink because the electrolysis process generates a lot of heat. And so this heat sink dissipates that heat and allows it to operate more efficiently. On-off switch has a chlorine output dial. It can be adjusted from 0% to 100% depending on how much chlorine you need to maintain your pool. It has a winter mode which can be activated if the water temperature falls below 70 degrees, and by activating the winter mode you will extend the life of your cell. It has two light indicators for low flow or low salt levels. It has a display panel for cell efficiency. So most of the time you should run at 100%, but if it starts to drop below 100%, it may be an indicator that your salt level is too low or that your cell is starting to deteriorate. And it also has two easily accessible fuses. Now, as far as the Ecomatic cell, there are many features of the cell that make it a high-quality piece of equipment. Inside the cell are cell plates, and these plates are made of titanium and they're coated in ruthenium. Ruthenium is a precious metal. It's actually more expensive than gold. But the ruthenium is applied in over 60 fine coats. And these fine coats help the bond last longer between the ruthenium and the titanium. And the longer the bond lasts, the longer the cell will last. There are a number of other features about the Ecomatic salt chlorinator that make it appealing. Number one, the cell housing is clear. It's made of a clear Lexan, and it'll stay clear. So you can actually see inside the cell without turning the pump off and removing the cell. You can see when it needs cleaning and when it doesn't. You can see chlorine gas being produced and then being transformed into hypochlorous acid. Because as the water flows through the cell, it's going to bubble and make the chlorine gas. And then it's immediately going to react back with the water to make hypochlorous acid. It has a 3-year warranty, 3-year full warranty, parts and labor, on the unit and the original cell. It's NSF approved for commercial use, so if you have a commercial application such as a hotel pool or property owners association, it can be used in that capacity. The Ecomatic is a high-quality, user-friendly salt chlorinator that will provide years of proper pool sanitization. Get the Ecomatic today.